guys? Welcome to Quarantine YouTube channel. Another day, another insights about community that can be productive and also connected, perfect for you. So, what is all about? Let's dive. I'm really excited to tell you that I have found this community through Instagram a year ago and it's called Malang Book Party. Malang Book Party is not just your typical reading club, but it is much more than that because Malang Book Party is literally open for anyone, even for someone who try to read a book or try to make a habit of reading, or casual readers, literature lovers, and also geek books are also welcome in this community. Even aspiring writers and also published authors are also welcome in this community. They all come together not just for book discussion, but also for outdoor gatherings, workshop, and also collaborative project that promotes reading culture and also social awareness. So, Malang Book Party is not just reading book community, but it is much more than that. I actually had the chance to join two of their programs, which is the first one, book signing and talk show with Henry Manapiri. And let me tell you, he's my favorite author in Indonesia. And the first book, sub-development book that I have had was Philosophy Terrace, and it was written by him. So I was really, really excited when I found out that Henry Manapiri, or people usually call him Piring, come to Malang, came to Malang, and then when I first found out the poster through Instagram, I was really, really excited and immediately signed up, you know, just so that I can go to that event. And yeah, it was really, really a exciting moment because I get to meet him in person, got my book signed, and then when he saw me, when he saw me, I brought like a three books written by him. He was really, really surprised, like, oh my god, oh, wow, you have so many books. And yeah, we talked like just like for a moment, like really, really fast because there's so many people lined up behind me as well. So yeah, I cannot, I did not get the chance to talk with him for a longer time, but in the meantime, if I got the chance to talk to him like in the future, like for a longer time, I will really, really be happy to accept that offer. There's also the second event that I joined was workshop titled Mastering the Mic with Kanur Alpha as a speaker. And let me tell you, there is so many things that I have learned from that workshop. The first thing first is that being a great MC is not just about holding a mic, but it's also about being the face of the event and also being the one who keeps or ensure the event running smoothly from beginning till the end. And also, being a great MC is the one who can handle everything in any kind of situation, even the unexpected ones. And there's a volunteer that shows you a great example how they can handle with the unexpected situation about the toddler that is wandering around the stage. So what MC should have do when they encounter that kind of situation? Instead of panicking and scolding the toddler or the child, but instead a great MC will handle it with warmth and also creativity. Like Axel kak.
Oh, Axel. Axel kenapa sini bersemangat sekali ya kayaknya ya?
Aku mau dapat hadiah nih.
Wow, kira-kira ada nggak ya Kak hadiahnya hari ini?
Kalau Axel dapat hadiah mau dapat hadiah apa ya? Mobil.
Mobil?
Mobil mainan.
Oh, mobil mainan. Oh, ya. Sekali ya. Hadiah ya. Oke, boleh nanti kita nyanyi dulu boleh nggak satu kali? Coba kamu lagi TK kan sekarang kan? Ya, TK-nya kemarin lagi sering nyanyi apa?
Even though it's just a small moment, but somehow with powerful empathy and good thinking can keep the event run smoothly and also positive for everyone. There's a funny story is that this workshop was actually meant for internal volunteer only. But then when I saw the Instagram announcement post, I was really interested in joining one. But I really thought that I could join. But then I'm really excited and tried to ask one of the members committee that they put on the Instagram post like through WhatsApp number, and I tried to ask one of them, and they said that because you were brave enough to ask, you're welcome to join. And that moment reminded me that sometimes all it takes is the courage to ask. So, if you want to know more about the detail about Malambo Party, you can just visit the Malambo Party Instagram or watch the interview that I have made with Banadila. Just for a brief.
Kenangan dulu ya, mungkin kenali tambah segala dari salah satu kondisi Malang Party batch ketiga.
Oke, nah apa sih alasan panitia Malang Party ini mengadakan acara seperti ini gitu?
Sebenarnya karena ini ya, NC itu sebenarnya adalah salah satu peran yang cukup penting di berbagai banyak acara gitu. Dan kita Malang Party itu sering banget ngadain acara. Nah, untuk itu harapannya kami tuh bisa mengimprove setiap peserta volunteer untuk bisa punya kompetensi sebagai MC atau minimal itu sebagai lebih percaya diri untuk public speaking dan sebagainya.
Dulu. Nah, kenapa sih acaranya tuh dibikin buat internal aja gitu? Kenapa nggak dibuat jadi kayak buat acara publik gitu Kak? Kalau boleh tahu.
Oke, menarik sekali pertanyaannya. Benar, awalnya kita bikin internal karena kita pengen mengembangkan kompetensi dari masing-masing anggota volunteer biar punya kemampuan untuk berimprovisasi, untuk menjadi seorang MC, membawakan sebuah acara. Jadi nggak hanya orang-orang itu aja, tapi kita semua juga belajar. Kenapa nggak untuk umum? Ya karena tujuannya itu tadi, tapi yang jadi sebuah kejutan juga, walaupun itu tulisannya internal tapi ternyata party yang ya total informasinya merasa tertarik. Nah itu kita jadi sempat kepikiran juga, dia juga ternyata banyak dari teman-teman umum itu juga tertarik, dan sepertinya akan lebih baik kalau misalkan event seperti ini bisa engage lebih banyak orang.
Kira-kira nih Kak, Kakak mau apa tuh dari panitia Malam Party sendiri mau ngadain acara seperti ini lagi nggak kayak workshop itu gitu ke depannya dalam waktu mendekat ini gitu? Ada nggak?
Ada dong, tentunya masih akan ada lagi.
Boleh dikasih tahu nggak Kak?
Tunggu aja di Instagram Malam Party.
Oke. Terus ada nggak sih harapan yang Kakak dapat dari apa sebagai panitia gitu dari terhadap para peserta setelah mengikuti workshop acara MC ini gitu?
Harapannya tuh peserta bisa dapat kesan baik tentang Malang Party, karena aku pun juga ngerasain hal yang sama ketika aku pertama kali ikut waktu itu di dapur di Malang Party, dan dari situ banyak inspirasi. Terus saya merasa diterima dengan teman-teman bupati yang sangat hangat. Ya harapannya juga sama, kita pengen teman-teman yang ikut itu juga merasa diterima, merasa hangat, merasa punya ruang untuk bisa berbagi di Malang Bupati gitu. Karena di sini kita berkembang sama belajar bareng-bareng, dan tentunya aku yakin nggak cuma aku ataupun semuanya lah, kalau misalkan pengen gabung di komunitas, dia pengen mengembangkan diri.
Okay. So whether you are into books, public speaking, or just want to meet thoughtful and passionate people, Malang Party might be the community that you are looking for. So yeah, that's all for my video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out other videos in this YouTube channel that can fuel your creativity, insight, and also productivity. So yeah, see you next time.